I think everyone is growing and excelling, but I think our Te Tai Rāwhiti crew is shining through, and our old bees, like who have been here for 4 to 5 wānanga, like the twins, Tāmairangi and Tāne, are just maturing so much, and it's so good to have them coming through the ranks.
Oh yeah, I didn't really know about this wānanga until my mum told me, and I was excited to come here. And when I got here I was pretty nervous, didn't know anyone.
Yeah, it's been good so far. I thought it was going to be dumb because I didn't know anyone, but I've gotten pretty close with most of the people on the second day too.
I have to say far so good.
Tō whānau, tō kōtiro hoki, te no mana wahine I te mea Instagram. Nō reira, tēnā koutou katoa. Kia ora. Want to come inside? Has the brother Kylie sort of told you a little bit about what I do?
I just told him you're a rock star.
Oh, really? Yeah. All right, okay. You know, and for us in the 70s, it was all about simulation. So a lot of our whānaus were coming in from the country and coming into the cities, trying to find work. And you know, we just had to sort of simulate, like become sort of like Pākehas, so we could get jobs and get houses and own cars and own houses, all that sort of stuff. So we started to sort of become more educated about our identity and why the hell was that so important at that time. Because in our culture we come from a line of chiefs called whakapapa, you know, tupuna, that forged their way around the Pacific and eventually ended up here in Aotearoa. It's a pretty unbreakable line, and even now if you don't know too much about your whakapapa, believe you me, and as time goes on, you will. One of the things that we celebrate being Māori nowadays is moko. And the cool thing about moko is that it makes you feel very secure because you've reconnected, just like the whenua going back to the land, you've reconnected your lineage. So it really doesn't matter what anybody says to you, you know. Kua hau he Māori, you know, kua hau taku manu motu hake right here, tū mai. If you want something to survive like our Māoriness, whether it be in the reo, whether it be in the arts, or whether it be in drama, or whether it be politically, you gotta fight for it, man, and head and toe. And you'll find when you go to the different islands, there are different rangi when they use their tapping. Alright? So if you're up in Samoa, it sort of sounds like that's sort of a rangi. Here in Aotearoa, in accordance or in acknowledgement of that kōrero that I just shared with you guys, we've got a different rangi. And there's a reason why that is. So when we're tapping into the skin, so it's more of a so when the albatrosses are looking for a mate, they got these real extra long beaks, and what they do is they clap. That's where that rangi comes from. And it acknowledges, when we go through the process of moko, the sacrifice of that bird. Yeah. Pretty cool, eh?
Pretty cool.
It's
very cool.
Mana mai te Māori, mana mai te Māori, rangi te Māori ka iau, he Māori tipua ka pakuru mai te po. Tau mai te Māori, tūturu whakamaua kia tīna.
Tīna.
Uie.
Tai. Right on?
Right on.